Hello everyone, and welcome to a Create with Kiely video. I'm speaking to all you future St. Mary's students. I'm Mrs. Kiely and I'm the art teacher here at St. Mary's Catholic Secondary School. If you do decide to take AVI 101 Grade 9 Visual Arts, you're pretty much guaranteed to get me. In order to graduate from high school, you need to have 30 credits, and they're all predestined for you to take. One of them has to be an arts credit. Now, that doesn't mean it has to be visual arts. It can be music, dance, drama, fashion, and they're amazing. They're all taught by people who live and breathe those topics inside and outside of the school. So you're going to get an amazing education if you already see yourself in the performing arts. It's super fun, but not everybody feels confident with public performances, and maybe you're on the fence about taking visual arts because you're one of those millions of people who come up to me and say, "But miss, I can't even draw a stick figure." Don't worry, I never expect my grade 9 students to come to class fully downloaded with how to draw and how to paint and how to do all this sort of stuff. The whole point of my job is to teach you guys how to draw. So in my very first unit in art class, we talk about pencils and introduce drawing, and I try to start things at the most basic level, kind of like a video game where I gradually build your skill until you're ready for the boss level. Speaking of video games, I love them. Cartoons, anime, illustration, graphic design, I'm totally into all those things. And if you are too, then this is a course that you should be taking, because those post-secondary programs that lead you into being an animator at Pixar or Disney, to being a game designer, being on a movie set, putting on that makeup or putting After Effects on actors. But you can also be an architect, and you need art to be able to design those homes. So if you're interested in those sort of careers, those post-secondary programs that prepare you for those careers, they require a visual arts course. For those of you who already are in love with art, I'm speaking to the ones that, you know, when the teacher assigns a group project and there's something artistic involved and everybody fights to have you in their group, or you're the one that spends like more time on the title page than actually learning the topic, you're gonna love visual arts. You're gonna love finally being in a course that's just all about your favorite topics. Normally, I would go around and visit your classrooms in person, teach you a little activity, and it's all super fun. And I'm so sad that I can't do that. I can't see you in person. So I'm gonna do the next best thing, and I'm going to make a video special for you guys, special for grade 8s, that your teacher may or may not use. It's okay, no pressure. And you can have fun just doing some art and being creative. I'll see you next year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, my friends, stay awesome and be creative.